I'm Adele Ernsberger. I'm a product owner and I've been at RPM for about 3.5 years. So I'm currently working on Project Genesis. I've been working on that for about a year now. And we're really digging into how the business functions day to day and what part of the processes that they're doing can be automated. How can we make things more efficient? How can we utilize technology so that technology can do things that robots can do and people can do things that need a human touch? We need humans to do things like sales. Humans respond to humans, and sales is something that is a unique skill that can't be automated. We need to function so well as a team on every level. We need to communicate clearly. We need to be able to take constructive, critical feedback and run with that, and then pivot at a day's notice or a moment's notice to meet changing needs because we are changing so fast. And if we didn't have the right people in place, then we wouldn't be able to do that.